Okay. Our end in mind for today is make a review about all of topics that we saw in the last week. Okay? Alexis, do you remember a topic that we saw in the last week? Tell me the name of the topic that you remember.
Superlative.
Superlative form, excellent. Another topic, Ian, that we saw in the last week. Another topic, Ian. Cecia, another topic. Another topic, Cecia.
Letter B.
What, Ian?
Letter B.
Letter B, excellent. Letter B and B, excellent. Cecia, another topic that we saw in the last week. Emilio, another topic. Rolando.
I don't know. The weather report.
The weather report, the sequence of the story. Excellent. Another topic that we saw in the last week. Another topic. Cecia, another topic that we saw in the last week. Only one topic. Sebastián Blancas, another topic. No? Who knows the name of the topic that we saw in the last week? Who knows the name of the topic? Another topic that we saw last week? No? What is the name of that topic? The name of that topic is? What is the name? Show me your hands. Frida.
Los anuncios.
Advertisements. Excellent, Frida. Advertisement, superlative form, the sound of letter V and B, and sequence of the story. Okay, in this moment we are going to start with the information. Okay? Our agenda for today is make an active post that we did, make a brainstorm of ideas, discuss about the sequence of a story, what is a superlative adjective, and what is an advertisement. This is our agenda. We are going to start with the sequence of the story, okay? The sequence of the story. For example, the story is divided in 3 parts. The most important parts of the story, okay? What is the name of the first part of the story? Ian, what is the name of the first part of the story?
Beginning, Miss.
Excellent. Beginning. Beginning is the name. Thank you. The second part, Sebastián Blancas, what is the second part? Cecia.
Middle.
Middle is the second part. And the last part, what is the last part of the story? What is the last part of the story? Frida? Do you know? No? Cecia?
And
End of the story. Excellent, Cecia. Thank you. Okay. The story is divided in three main parts. Beginning, middle, and end of the story. Do you remember the story in which Angie checked the weather report? Do you remember? In this moment, I am going to show you a picture and you are going to decide what is the first picture that appeared according with the sequence of the story. You are going to put the number in the correct picture. Use your language notebook, please. Use your language notebook. In this part, you need to number the images in order according to the story, okay? Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Okay? Look at the pictures and number the correct order. Number with the correct order, okay? With the correct order. Okay? Emilio, what is picture number 1?
donde su mamá le dice a la niña que no puede salir porque iba a llover.
Okay, is this, or this? What is number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4?
La
1, 2, 3, or 4? 4, excellent. This is number 1. In picture 4, this is number 1, okay? Frida, what is number 2? What is number 2, Frida?
¿Dónde está?
Is number 1, number 2, or number 3?
¿Dónde está con la computadora y con su mamá?
In this? This is correct? This is correct? Do you think that is correct, Alexis?
No.
What is the correct?
Two?
Number 2 is number 2. Excellent, thank you. This is number 1. This is number 2. And Ian, what is number 3? 1?
No. 1.
Excellent, excellent. 1 is number 3. And finally, number 4 is number 3. Okay? That's okay? Do you agree? Okay. Now, let's look this information. Okay. Brainstorm of ideas with the previous topic. What do you know about superlative form? And what is an advertisement? Okay. Sebastián Blancas, give me an example about superlative form. Superlative form. Give me an example, Sebastián. Superlative form. No, Sebastián? Frida, give me an example of superlative form.
Biggest.
Biggest. Excellent. Biggest. Another example, Emilio. Emilio.
Long.
Repeat again, please.
Long.
Long. Long is superlative.
Digo, small.
Small is superlative. Alexis. Biggest. Biggest is superlative. Frida, another example.
Smallest.
Excellent. Ian.
Funniest.
Funniest. Excellent. Funniest. Another example, Cecia. Cecia has problems. Okay. All of these are examples of superlative form. For example, my mom is the tallest in my family. Or my dog is the smallest in the neighborhood. Okay? All of these are examples of superlative form. Now, what is an advertisement, Ian Aaron? What is an advertisement? What is an advertisement, Ian?
Something.
What? What is an advertisement? Who knows what is an advertisement? What? What is an advertisement, Ian?
Is.
If you want to say in Spanish, you can speak in Spanish. What is an advertisement?
Es para vender algo.
Excellent. The purpose of an advertisement is to sell something or to invite you to do something. Excellent. Thank you. Okay, let me show you this information. This question is for Sebastián Blancas. Which beer is the biggest? Number 1, number 2, or number 3, Sebastián?
No, number 1.
Number 1 is the biggest. Thank you. The next question is for Frida. Which clock is the smallest?
Number 2.
Number 2 is the smallest?
No, number 1.
Alexis?
Number 3.
Number 3. Number 3 is the smallest. Okay, the next question is for Ian. Look at this information, Ian. Read the sentence and choose one answer. My sister is person in my family. Letter A, young. Letter B, younger than. Or letter C, the youngest. What is the correct answer? What?
Sí.
What?
Sí.
Repeat, please.
Sí.
Letter C. My sister is the youngest person in my family. Thank you. Now, let's continue. The purpose of an advertisement is to convince people to do or buy something. Okay? Do you understand that? Okay. Frida, what is the purpose of an advertisement? What is the purpose of an advertisement, Frida? Alexis, what is the purpose of an advertisement? No? Ian, do you remember what is the purpose of an advertisement?
Sell a product.
Sell a product or invite you to do something. Thank you. This is correct. Okay. Alexis, what is your favorite advertisement?
In the pool?
The what?
The pool.
The poop? What is that? No? Okay. Ian, what is your favorite advertisement?
Video games.
Video games, excellent. Emilio, your favorite advertisement is?
Football.
Football. Sebastián Blancas, your favorite advertisement is?
Soccer.
Soccer, football, soccer. Okay, Frida, your favorite advertisement is? Frida isn't here. Okay, let's continue. Look at this information. The following words are from advertisement. An advertisement has headline, body, and image. I am going to show you an advertisement, and you are going to write the correct part in the correct place, okay? And I am going to give you 40 seconds, okay? Headline, body, and image. This is the advertisement. Headline, image, and body. You have 3 squares, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. You are going to write in your language notebook the correct word in the correct place, okay? You have 40 seconds. 40 seconds to finish. 40 seconds, okay? 40 seconds. You have 40 seconds. Show me your hand on the screen if you have finished. Show me your hand on the screen if you have finished. Okay, Rolando Alexis is the first one who finished. Thank you. Ian, the second one. Ian is the second one. Who finished? Eve and Frida. Okay, Rolando, what is the headline?
In one.
Can you speak in Spanish, please?
En el primer cuadro.
This is the first one?
Sí.
This is the headline? Okay, it is correct. Ian, what is the body?
Abajo, Las letras que están abajo de la M.
Excellent. This is correct. Frida, image.
¿Dónde están las hamburguesas abajo?
Excellent. This is the image. All of these parts are parts of the advertisement, headline, image, and body. Do you remember? Okay. Now, do you remember that we use different kind of things to make an advertisement? Do you remember that parts? Who want to tell me? Show me your hand on the screen for your participation. Show me your hand on the screen, please. The first hand is for... When we make an advertisement, we use different tools. What are those tools? Do you remember? Yes or not? For example, few letters. What else? What else? Rolando.
Big letters.
Big letters, excellent. Another?
Short text, miss.
Short text, excellent. Another? Do you remember another? Bright colors, no? The person who is directed at is another. All of these are parts of an advertisement. Let's continue. In this moment, I am going to show you if your answer were correct. Look at this. This is the headline, this is the body, and all of these are the images, okay? All of these are the images. Do you finish? Okay. All of these were the topics that we saw in the last week. It's necessary that you check all of these topics because not all of you take part in the class, okay? And it is very important, okay, guys? Do you have doubts about all of these topics that we saw in the last week? If you have doubts about whatever topic, show me your hand on the screen, please, if you have doubts. No? No doubts in this moment? No doubts? You don't have doubts about this topic? No? Okay. Ian? Do you have doubts? No doubts about these topics? Frida? Do you have doubts about these topics? No. Emilio? No? Sebastián Blancas? Do you have doubts? No? Rolando? No? Okay, this is the end of the class. Cecia, do you have doubts about the topics that we saw in the last classes? No? Okay, this is the end of the class. Don't forget to do your activities and send me by platform. If you have any doubt, you also can send me a message to solve your doubt, okay? Okay, guys, bye. Have an excellent day and a wonderful week.